back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
In car 5 out of Covington, Virginia, it is Dylan Hallnaker. Then out in the 36 by WJA Fowler Excavating, Lester Well Drilling, Painters Machine Shop, Beckenridge Farms out of Buckhannon, it's Darren Critchfield. Then in the car 21, that doesn't have a number, with the Beher Stump Grinding, Walker's Creek Cabinets LLC out of Natural Bridge Station, it's Devin Beher. Green is out here for qualifying. MRP is up, so if you want to follow live here, you can see live timing on MRP. First lap for Dylan Hallnaker, 17.576. First lap for Darren Critchfield. First overall currently with a 17.378. Devin Beher third overall with a 18.156 for his first lap. Fast time, Natural Bridge Stations. Devin Beher with a 17.372. Elite Racing Series, Bradley Trucking, Todd Rental, Arbor Life, Tree Care, Jeff Smith Racing, Wesley Page Shocks, Longhorn, Wyatt Coffee. Last week's winner here at Natural Bridge Speedway in car 20 in the Ryan Flynn Arbor Street S&L Racing, Lux Hair Company, H&H Livestock. It's Ryan LaRue out of Lexington, Virginia. And then it's the 5 of Blake Brown, Worley's Upholstery, family of Blake Brown Racing out of Greenville, Virginia. First lap coming in for Wyatt Coffee, current fast time with a 16.897. First lap for Ryan LaRue's. Fourth overall with a 17.409. Up there in the guardrail for Ryan LaRue. First lap for Blake Brown. Sixth overall with a 21.594. Not fast. Second lap wasn't fastest there, but fastest overall there. Wyatt Coffee with a 16.897. In the Masterbuilt in the Hamilton Racing, Driven Motors, Kiwi Carriers Inc., Jennings Property Solution LLC, it's Samuel Hamilton out of Fairfield, Virginia. Then in the 4 Masterbuilt, Wolf Motorsports, Hawk Rest Farm, CNC Lawn and Land LLC, it's Bryce Smith. Then in car 26, the Gibson Clean Cut Lawn Care, Salon 121 out of Storrs Draft, Virginia, it's Chris Fretwell. These drivers, Hunton's Wyatt Coffee trying to beat the 16.897. First lap coming in here for Samuel Hamilton. Fifth overall with a 17.423. First lap for Bryce Smith, times in. Second overall with a 17.359. Chris Fretwell, eighth overall with a 17.814. Samuel Hamilton picked it up the second overall, 17.345. Make it Bryce Smith back to 17.273. Still current fast time, White Coffee at a 16.897. Bryce Smith second overall with a 17.273. And Samuel Hamilton is third overall with a 17.345. And Chris Fretwell eighth overall with a 17.621. And up out of Buckhannon, Virginia, in the Reeds Towing, Red Hill Photography, RDM Motorsports, it's Jesse Murray. Then in car 3, in the Barry Wright race car, Martin Small, Engine Repair, BM Performance, Ace Machinery, it's Jacob Level out of Waynesboro. Then in the Paisley Logistics LLC, Durham Engine Services, Barry Wright out of Elkton, North Carolina, in car 15, it's Daniel Durham. First lap for Jesse Murray. 9th overall at 18.287. Jacob Level, 9th overall. 10th overall with a 17.673. Daniel Durham, 7th overall with a 17.551. Jacob Level, 3rd overall with a 17.322. Coming out in the Kryptonite out of Waynesboro, Virginia, it's Dakota Fox. Following him from Stanton, Virginia, in the Huggle Septic Service, Smoky Row Excavating, Woodmaster, Augusta Outdoor Stove, it's Justin Webb. Then in the 10H, Rocket XR1, Nathan Deacon Truckin', Rising Sun Farm, Rockbridge Rental Company, Dottie's Country Store, it's Stephen Harrison. First lap for Dakota Fox. 18th overall with an 18.023. Justin Webb, 19th overall, 18.404. First lap for Stephen Harrison, 12th overall with a 17.437. Stephen Harrison picked it up there. Stephen Harrison picked it up there to 17.311. 5th overall for the 10H there. Out in the car, 56, Behers Pre-Owned, Booper Bear Racing. It's Billy Weeks. And then in the 59D, out of Clifton Forge, Virginia, it's Josh DePriest. Last two for qualifying for the Elite Racing Series 602. .59D is slow here on the front stretch. First lap for Billy Weeks, 20th overall to 18.101. Bill Steenshock late model, start making your way to staging. Bill Steenshock's late model, start making your way to staging for qualifying. 59D of Josh DePriest did not get a lap. 56 will get one more here.